in love, a path leading to the future. Walking with him through these moments, I wish they could last forever. Lunchtime together, moments filled with smiles, unspoken feelings conveyed through our eyes. Night after part-time job, wanting to hear his voice, looking up at the starry sky, dreaming of our future together. Weekend day plans, excitement as we meet. Time spent together is my treasure. Campus in love, a path leading to the future. Walking with him through these moments, I wish they could last forever. In smiles and tears, our love story continues. In the morning sun by the window, waking up with a smile every day. Laughing with friends between lectures, cherishing those precious moments. Falling in love, chasing dreams. Sometimes anxiety peeks through, but we still move forward in our youth. Drawing traces of youth on this path leading to the future. Painting it with smiles and tears, we are living today.
On the way home from a part-time job at night, looking up at the starry sky, making a wish. Holding big dreams in our hearts, let's keep trying our best tomorrow.
Failing and worrying, but never giving up. Always together, supporting each other as friends.
Walking home in the sunset glow, future visions floating in our minds. Step by step we move forward, days filled with hope.
Days spent studying for exams,
Efforts will surely pay off. Believing and moving forward, a shining youth.
drawing traces of youth on this path leading to the future. Painting it with smiles and tears, we are living today.
Laughing and crying together, our story continues.
Morning light feels so sad, curled up in the corner of my room. Smile from that time feels so distant now. Memories in the classroom squeeze my heart tightly. His voice seems to echo as tears fall down, overcoming the night of tears, searching for new days until my heart's wounds heal. I take one step at a time. On the way home in the sunset, suddenly remember sharing smiles and tears, giving me strength to move forward, overcoming the night of tears, searching for new days, until my heart's wounds heal. I take one step at a time to regain my smile. I will become strong. Overcoming the night of tears, searching for new days, until my heart's wounds heal. I take one step at a time to regain my smile. I will become As the sun rises, today is a new beginning. Studying and working hard, moving forward step by step. Learning in the lecture hall, drawing my future. To achieve my dreams, I won't spare any effort. Chasing dreams in youth, steps toward the future. Overcoming setbacks, I become stronger. Time spent with friends becomes my support, smiling and encouraging each other, chasing dreams together. Studying late into the night, believing in tomorrow's self. Accumulating small successes, moving toward the future. Weekend refreshment, relaxing in nature, gaining new energy to keep going. Chasing dreams in youth, steps toward the future. Overcoming setbacks, overcoming stronger. In smiles and tears, living towards my dreams. Missing him, but for now my dreams take priority. Torn between love and ambition, experiencing inner conflict. After lectures, sitting in a cafe, thinking alone, visualizing my future in detail. Wrapped in the stillness of night, healing from the day's fatigue. Heart filled with hope for tomorrow, preparing for new challenges. Chasing dreams in youth, steps toward the future. Overcoming setbacks, I become stronger. In smiles and tears, living towards my dreams. Believing in myself, the future is in my hands. The future